All right, let's factory reset, master reset, clean and wipe this Nokia 8V5G UW. And the most important part on the Nokia is that you have to do this while you have the charger plugged in. So let's plug the charger in. Let's allow it to get settled. It's going to show the battery, and now we can do it. Power button, volume down, hold at the same time. 1, 2, that's going to be a moment. Alright, now from this menu we're looking for recovery. We're going to scroll down 1, 2 times recovery mode with the volumes, and then we're going to push enter with power. And then we're going to get our lying down Android. And now this step, again, it's going to be, we're going to hold the power down, and then we're just going to touch volume up just very quickly. Here we go. Power, touch, doop, like that. All right, and then we bring our regular clean and wipe menu, and let's scroll to wipe data factory reset. We're going to push enter. We're going to, yes, factory data reset. We're going to press enter. We're going to verify when it says data wipe complete, and then you can reboot your system. And that's how you clean and wipe, master reset, hard reset the Nokia 8V5G UW. Thanks for watching.